is...
What are you going to read to us, Zoe?
A book.
Okay, what's it called?
Here is a zoo.
No.
Can I read one?
No, not yet. Hold on. What does it say, Zoe?
Zoo. Here is a zoo.
The
There's a forest.
It's the forest, okay?
Here is a spider.
No, what is that?
Here is a tree.
Okay.
just read the book.
Are you going to read? Hey, Mama, go get the book from Scruffy because he's eating it.
Here is a bird.
He's right here.
Okay.
Here is a spider.
You have to read out
loud.
loud.
Loud and clear.
Here is a spider. Do like
And
this.
show us the picture.
Do like this. Here is a spider. Here is a lizard.
I want to see a picture of the lizard. Can I see? I can't see. I can't see. Oh, nice. Can you show the camera?
Here. Here is a snake.
Show the camera the picture of the snake.
You can stay right where you're at. You. Thank you for showing it to me.
Here is a monkey. Here is a forest.
All right.
Can I read one?
You five,
This
Zoe.
is my book when I was 4. No, let me do
She's got, Mel, she's got to finish her books. Melody, she's got to finish her book. You can read me a book in a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to give you a book and I'm going to see if you can read it.
Here is our friend.
No.
Here is
At.
at school.
Okay.
You think you're the boss? I'm the boss. I'm the alpha dog.
Come on, you got to read it.
Come on, it's way past my bedtime.
Here
No, here.
is
No.
our friend.
No.
At.
At friends.
No.
At school. My
Hey.
pencil.
Good.
I cut scissors.
No.
My scissors.
That's all you need to say is my, because M and Y is mine.
This is my.
No. It says my.
Here is
It says my.
Nice.
my
Be nice.
book.
Be nice.
My teacher. My friends. Here is
No. My.
my school.
Good.